500 in. Not sure where these are from. Looks like originally Otis. These are quick. Huh. What were these before? It's hard to tell. I'm gonna have to check the records and see. I really don't know what these were. Looks like there's a service car though. I'll have to investigate that after the video. These may have been Fujitech? Oh no, these were Otis. These were Otis. Yeah, Otis key switch, Otis interlock, Otis lantern, these were Otis. Oh yeah, that's an Otis store track. Probably maybe 401s? Yeah, I'd say these were 401. These are fast. These might be gearless. Yeah, these honestly, I'd say these are about 500 feet per minute. Honestly, oh, I gotta hear that chime again. Honestly, though, this was definitely a decent mod by Schindler, I'd say. Awesome. Anyway, that will be it.